Today I am going to tell you a super fun way to introduce yourself. This way of introduction will definitely help you to introduce yourself in a very lucid way. So shall we start? Okay, come. The first step is greet. First of all, you have to greet the person standing in front of you. For instance, good morning everyone. The second step is you should speak your name. Like, my name is Anshika Goyal. The third step is your class and your school name. After your name, you will speak about your class and your school name. For example, I study in class 3rd and my school name is Pragati Little Genius Play School. Now, the fourth step is you will tell your father and mother's name. For instance, my father name is Mr. Manoj Gupta and my mother name is Mrs. Shalini Gupta. The next step is your hobby. Now, how will you define hobby? Hobby is anything that you like to do in your free time. Like, my hobby is dancing and reading books. The next step is a positive thought. Just remember, you will end your introduction by a positive thought, and it could be like, a winner is one who thinks I can, or where there is a will, there is a way. If you end your introduction with a positive thought, it will definitely leave a positive impact on the audience listening to you. And after that, you will end your introduction by saying thank you. Now I am giving you a simple instance to introduce yourself. So let's start. Good morning everyone. My name is Anshika Gupta and I study in class 3rd. My school name is Pragati Little Genius Play School. About my family background, my father name is Mr. Manoj Gupta and my mother name is Mrs. Shalini Gupta. My hobby are dancing and reading. And at the end, I would like to state that a winner is one who thinks I can. Thank you. This is the way to introduce yourself in a very lucid way. Hope it helps you. Thank you, students.